What if I told you a canceled customer doesn't have to be a lost customer? Existing customers are more likely to repurchase from your brand, try new products, and spend more at your business versus new customers. So let's talk about how do you decrease customer churn with win-back campaigns. Win-back campaigns are strategies to convince churned customers to repurchase from your business. So here are a few techniques you can try to use in your own win-back campaigns. Try offering personalized incentives like discounts to repurchase from your store or restart their canceled subscriptions. Or implement a tiered win-back campaign via email marketing that can message canceled customers at specific intervals. This will help you maintain communication with churned customers and provide them opportunities to repurchase or reactivate their subscription. Lastly, provide them updates on new products or changes to your brand via email or SMS. This offers former customers a chance to get something new or re-engage with your business. Okay, so here's the recap. Win-back campaigns can help you win back churned customers. Strategies involve maintaining communication with personalized incentives. And finally, engage churned customers with new products or company offers. Remember, customers are more than just a transaction, they're a relationship. There's always a chance to win them back through listening and engaging. Hey, if you like this conversation, check out more videos here.